What's good, Anayanation Ram fam? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. It's freaking hot out where I'm at. About 90 degrees right now. And I'm plasti dipping. That's what today's video is going to be about. I'm going to be plasti dipping the badges on the Ram 1500. Let's go ahead and take a look. So I did the back emblem, the 4x4. And let's go to the driver's side. So I got the fuel door covered right now. So this is like 5 coats. I laid it pretty thick, so I taped it so it's easy to peel around. And the thicker the plasti dip, the easier it is to peel and work with. Let's go ahead and take a look at the. So right here, I'm gonna because this is in red right here, so I'm gonna just pull that off. But this only has 2 coats, and same with the other side. Eventually, I'm gonna hit up all the chrome. I ordered stuff for the wheels from dipyourcar.com. So I'll make a video on that, so I'm stoked for that. But eventually, this truck is gonna be plasti dip. Now the grill, I'm actually probably gonna order a new grill. Same with the front bumpers and the rear bumper, so I'm not worried about that. But the rest, like the door handles, the mirrors, the wheels, and the steps, I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. So we'll take a look at the finished product as far as the fuel door and the side door Ram 1500 and Hemi badges. But the back I did about 2 days ago, and it came out pretty sick, you know. So not too bad. Let me know what you guys think down below. Alright y'all, so the fuel door is done. Check it out. Threw some pledge on the tires there. Now I think I'm about to take that debadge, that Hemi 5.7, just leave the Ram 1500. Now where the zeros are, there's some spray in there, so I'm gonna wait for it to cure a little bit longer, maybe by the end of the day or tomorrow. So I can take a toothpick and just pick it out real quick. I'll probably debadge that Hemi, and I can't wait for a new grill there. Now same thing on the other side. So I got a toothpick. And pretty much just, I'll show you what I mean, you guys. That's right there. I started working at it, but I'm gonna wait for it to fully cure so it doesn't rip off any of the plasti dip from the zero itself. But I put about 4 coats on the Ram 1500 and the Hemi, and I did 5 coats on the fuel door, and it came off. There was overspray, so I taped it off, and it peeled right off. So each coat I did, I put it right here on the paint, and it came right off like butter. So obviously the thicker the coat, the better. So if you guys are planning on doing this, make sure you guys apply a lot of coats, so that way it's easy for you guys to peel off if need be. It's freaking hot out, like I said, so join the Anayanation Ram fam, and you guys have a fantastic day. Stay cool. I think it's like 90s. I've been out in the sun for about 3 hours. Time to go inside, take a shower, and get cooled up. All right, you guys have a great day.